Okay, so I put the Farmer X, the Tinker, and I have my box of goodies, more stuff. So the Fisherman, don't know which one is that. Okay, so we have the Fisherman, Victorinox Fisherman goes here. It's a bit large for, okay, I'll put it here. Fisherman goes there. I'm not sure which one is this one, but I think it's the Ranger. So we have the saw and the file. So this is the Victorinox Ranger. Will be here the mighty trio. That's the Victorinox Hunter. The Hunter goes here. It barely fits, but it's very secure. And this one, the special one, the Explorer. The Explorer with the magnifier glass. This one goes in here. It barely fits. So you can have in this pouch, you can have 6 pocket knives, 6 Victorinox Swiss Army knives. If you wanted to, you can have them there. And there is space for more here. I could throw in the Soldier. And open with one hand. I could put the Soldier behind there. Perfect. So it fits 7 Swiss Army knife pocket knives. That's all I had in that box. So this is actually pretty nice, pretty nice way to store Victorinox Swiss Army knives. They might touch each other when you close it, but I can put a separator. This is also polishing cloth, so it's going to be double function. This is how much you can fit in it, and it's pretty heavy like this. But if you wanted to, you can fit a lot of things in it. Thanks for watching. What do you think I should have to actually have with me everyday carry? Any adapters for technology like SD card reader or USB adapters, USB cables or miniature chargers, small flashlight. What do you recommend to have in this if I'm going to carry it in my bag every day? EDC carry, if I do that. Usually now I only have in my bag, I have the compact, Victorinox compact. my phone, the keys, wallet. Actually, the wallet is just money in the bag. So what should I put in this bag if I wanted to keep it as an EDC bag? And when the new model will show up, I will make a review of that one and compare them. So far this is very sturdy. Maybe the zipper is a bit stiff, but you might put a bit of soap on it, around it, to make it more smooth. Here this area they don't interlock very well, but you can attach it to the belt. It's interesting. Thanks for watching.